TextConverter, a program from Simex, extracts data from all types of documents for loading into any standard database. In this video today, I'll demonstrate the new features of TextConverter version 2.2 by extracting data from a PDF file that I found online. The form of the file that I selected includes a recurring pattern. Within this pattern there are fields, some with labels and some implied only by their position. There are also labels that may or may not contain values, and values that may span more than one line. To extract the data from this PDF, I'll drag the file into TextConverter. This dialog appears upon first opening in manual mode unless you uncheck this box. Here in the Input Preview pane, the document is presented as text, ready for line-by-line parsing. In manual mode, there's only one field in the input dictionary. This field represents the input text line. Full support is provided using VBScript for every type of extraction, transformation, and loading. VBScript will be covered in detail in another video. A distinguishing feature of this version 2.2 is the new automatic mode. For each file format, there's an automatic mode and several manual modes. Auto mode uses an artificial intelligence engine to recognize recurring patterns and identify fields and records without programming. I'll switch to auto mode. When I do that, watch what happens in the input preview. Voila! Now the input text preview shows the recognized fields and records. The input dictionary shows the 61 fields that were automatically identified by TextConverter 2.2's artificial intelligence algorithm. The input preview window shows the 48 records that were extracted from this PDF document. Now I'll reset my output dictionary to generate the output dictionary's fields. See how the output dictionary is connected field by field to the input dictionary? Here in the output dictionary, I can change the names of the fields, the types, and the widths. This data might be ready for loading into your database, or you might want to transform it further. All of the scripting tools are still available in automatic mode. This is the dynamic output preview, where you see the output data exactly as it will look loaded into your database. You can load into Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, MySQL, FoxPro, or any other conventional database. Now I'll set my output database. Here's the dialog that allows you to use an OLEDB driver, ODBC driver, or a flat file. Today I'll just use a flat file. Great, now I've got my input set up, my output set up. I'm ready to run the transformation process. I just click this Running Man icon, and the data moves to the output database. I'll use the built-in data browser to view the results. Look at that, phenomenal. It went through all the records. It neatly extracted all of these fields. That is Simex TextConverter version 2.2 for extraction, transformation, and loading.